My name is Joshua Abraham Vanipirkal. I'm from Kerala. I'm a BTech Mechanical Engineering graduate student. I passed out in 2020 this year. Now I'm at the time when I passed out, I was looking for some jobs and I was not satisfied with my studies and that. So I decided to join a course. I was looking in the internet and found and know about this ANDT Institute and the ANDT and NISST Institute, National Institute of Secondary Steel Technology. They decided to do some courses which will be on basis on our mechanical course. So I decided to select the NDT level 2 course, which contains radio testing, ultrasonic testing, visual testing, and other more things. So when I came here, I attended the online class for 1.5 months, and the classes were very nice, and I was very pleased to attend the classes, and I also energize my memory and to get more knowledge about the engineering field and this NDT level courses and many other things. So now I'm in Delhi, so I came here to do the lab works, and the aspirants here, the things I do and learn here from. I was very happy to get more knowledge about it, and surely it is a very good experience for me, and I would suggest other people to get into it and have an experience about it and have a beautiful future about this. Thank you.